Bluesette by Toots Thielemans. Next up, we'll have another playthrough section of that recording with some different visuals to help you out learning the tune or playing along with it. Standard and tablature notation, as well as the Guitar Pro neck diagram. After that, we'll have a step-by-step. We'll also talk about an interlude that you can include. Please help support this free content by liking, subscribing, and commenting on the video. I'd love to hear how you're doing on the tune. All right, well, let's get started. 2 counts of 3. Okay, well, let's get started with the step-by-step. Okay, so we're going to have this intro here. The bass is playing B flat, and we have these pairs on the middle 2 strings. So we're playing and then moving it up a half step. So frets 5 and 6, and then 6 and 7. So we repeat that and we play it a total of 4 times. Okay, so here we go again. And one more time. In the video, I'm playing down-up motions. Up, 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 down, down. So here we get into the actual chord melody part. I'm using hybrid picking on this. Originally I was going to use all pick, but I thought this sounded pretty good for the arrangement. So we start here in position 6. Try to hold those tones there, and then we get into position 5. Then we're going to let this go, and we have the A minor 7 flat 5. And then we're going to pluck this melody note, which is already on string 3. Then we move to position 7 to the D7 flat 9. Then we go through a similar process with many of the next chords. So we have G minor 7, pluck string 3, go to fret 5, to C7 flat 9. Now we're on F minor. Same process, position 3. I'm going to go to E flat major. This is the E flat major 9. And then we're going to go to the slightly different chord here. Then we're going to move fairly quickly up the neck here. We're going to play fret 6 with finger 1, and then 7, and then 9. In that position, then land on 11. Then play this melody note, fret 14. And then shift downward to A flat 13. And then D flat major 7, we're going to do some stretching here. Try to get to 13. So if you can manage it, try to stretch, and then we're going to play fret 11. But if you can't, just move up, let the chord stop earlier. Okay, and then we're going to play, actually I'm just playing that as a single note, measure 9, or fret 9, excuse me. Okay, then we're going to change this over to a minor chord. Fret 9, melody note on fret 12, and then switch over to G flat 13, and then fret 9. C flat major 7. This is very similar to the beginning. We're going to play this new voicing here, and then go up. Actually, I'm using finger 2 there. That helps me set up this next chord, C minor 7, and then F13, okay, and then we're going to play here in position 3. So I'm pluck this as the melody note, and then we're going to have that D minor carry over a little bit longer, and then we'll go to the G7 like that. So try to hold that note throughout those two measures, and then we're going to go up to fret 8. Okay, and then similar pattern moving to the F7. Now we're going to repeat that part, and then we'll have a small ending for that. So again, we're here on position 6. Okay, change our chord voicing. Actually, I believe I play finger 1 there. And then A minor 7 flat 5. Work down these positions again. Okay, F minor. B flat 7 flat 9. E flat major 9. So it's kind of an E flat 6. And we move up. D flat major 7. D flat minor 7. G flat 7 or G flat 13. This is G flat 9. F major 7. Okay, changing our voicing. F minor 7. F13. Okay, and then we're going to land on this F note just alone. Go up 9, 11. Okay, and then we're going to play like that, 10, 9, 10, 10, 11 to end it out. Okay, now I'll show you a bit of an interlude that you can include, which isn't in the video recording at the beginning, so this will supplement that. Right at the beginning of the form, we're going to play like this on the B flat major 7. And then A minor 7 flat 5. Okay, and then G minor 7. F minor 7. To the B flat 7. Okay, and then we're going to carry on from there. E flat major 7. E flat minor 7. A flat 7. D flat major 7. D flat minor 7. G flat 7. C flat major 7. C minor 7. F7. minor, G7 flat 9, and then the C minor 7 to F7. So that's a little bit of an interlude that you can include. Okay, so that gives you at least a little bit of an idea so that you can be aware of that part. All right, well, thanks for checking out this video. I hope it helped you learn the tune. Hope you like the arrangement. Please like, subscribe, and comment to help out the channel. Have a great practice session.